Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to download Google Meet in iPhone. So if you use an iPhone and you want to install the Google Meet application on your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to download Google Meet on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Then confirm your Face ID or type in your iPhone passcode to unlock the App Store if set to lock. Click on the search button at the bottom right. Tap search and search for Google Meet. Then click on the Google Meet option from the search result. Go ahead and click on Google Meet. Then you should see where to get Google Meet. To download Google Meet on your iPhone, click on Get. Once you hit the Get button, hang on while the Google Meet pops. The next step, it says double click to install. So just go ahead, double click the side button to install. Then confirm your Face ID or Touch ID. Then you should see the Google Meet application starting to install. Then you need to give this a couple of minutes or seconds depending on the strength of your internet connection to download and install the Google Meet application. Now, once you download or install the Google Meet application, you can now go ahead, start using the Google Meet application on your iPhone. So that is basically how to download Google Meet app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.